We are making these delicious caramel shortbread bars which taste just like Twix bars, but you can make these at home with very simple ingredients. These are all the ingredients you're going to need. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below and let's get started. First, grease and line a 6x6 inch pan and set that aside. You can use any other size pan, but the thickness of your bars will change. First, we're going to make the shortbread layer. For this, we're going to take some butter, which is at room temperature, and I am using salted butter here. Add in the sugar and the flour. If using unsalted butter, also add in a pinch of salt. And then you're going to mix this until your mixture comes together. Just like that. And once it has come together, you're going to transfer this to your pan and press it in evenly. Then bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes or till it is golden in color. And then you're going to let this cool completely, and meanwhile you can make the caramel layer. For this, in a saucepan, you're going to add in the butter, sweetened condensed milk, brown sugar, and honey. And then set this on low flame and mix until it all melts and comes together. And then continue to keep this on low flame and bring it to a vigorous boil. And make sure to keep stirring. Once it is boiling vigorously, you're going to continue stirring for about 2 to 3 minutes. And your caramel should be ready by now. You can test this by adding some to cold water and then testing by your fingers to see if it's chewy enough. But this is optional. You can just take this off the flame at this point. Once it is off the flame, continue to stir vigorously for another 3 minutes. And then pour this into your pan. And spread it out evenly using a spatula. Now lastly, we're going to make the chocolate layer, and for this you're simply going to melt some chocolate in either a microwave or using a double boiler. I'm using the microwave and I'm doing 30-second intervals until the chocolate is melted. Make sure to stir in between so that the chocolate does not burn. And my chocolate has melted here, as you can see, and you're just going to pour that over the caramel layer. Again, spread this evenly. And now you're going to place this in the refrigerator for about an hour so that everything sets. And then you're going to run a knife on the edges of the pan. This might be a little sticky, but just be patient. And then take it out of the pan and it's ready to slice. Slice it using a good sharp knife. I'm using a bread knife here, which also works. You can cut the squares as big or as small as you like. And there you have it. Your caramel shortbread bars are ready to dig into. The crunchy chocolate layer goes so well with the soft and chewy caramel and the buttery shortbread layer. These bars are so addictive. Once you eat them, you will not want to stop. And they also make a perfect gift for family and friends. I really do hope you like this recipe, and make sure to subscribe for more videos and hit the notification bell to stay up to date whenever I upload. I will see you soon with a new recipe. Bye!